Smart Laziness Hack: How to achieve more with less effort. Are you overwhelmed by everyday tempo and stressed by your workload, not seeing the results you want? What if I told you there's a solution for lazy people like me that can create space to focus on things that matter to them or avoid things that don't matter? So let's get started. Let's call our solution Smart Laziness, a productivity hack that can help you work smarter, not harder. At first, lazy people don't waste their time on trivial things like choosing what to wear every day. They wear the same outfit for a few days, saving them precious time in the morning. They also avoid doing chores like washing dishes by doing them poorly, so they don't have to do them again. A washing machine is a quite good life companion. Second, focus your daily energy on the most important tasks and find ways to automate or delegate the rest. One way to achieve that is to use technology to your advantage. Automate repetitive tasks using tools like IFTTT, ChatGPT, Zapier, Siri, Alexa, and other bot shortcuts. Delegate small tasks that you don't want to do to others using platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You can't do everything yourself, and it's okay to ask for help. Also, as an advantage, try to organize with calendars, set reminders, and use Excel and Google Sheets to plan, not list, to stay focused only on things that matter the most. Third, we also gamify our lives, making boring tasks like exercising more fun by turning them into games. Fourth, we take breaks. Research shows that taking regular breaks can boost productivity and creativity. So sleep well, take a walk, do some stretching, or simply step away from your work for a few minutes or hours. In Japan, sleeping at work has its own name. It's called inamuri. Fifth, another way to ease productivity is to prioritize tasks based on their importance and urgency. One popular method is the Eisenhower matrix, which categorizes tasks into 4 quadrants: important and important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and not important and not urgent. By focusing on important and urgent tasks only, you can reduce stress. Sixth, consider incorporating mindfulness practices into your daily routine. Mindfulness can help reduce stress and improve focus. Try meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga. Even taking a few deep breaths before starting a task can help you feel more centered and focused. We are not actually lazy, we are just efficient and know how to make the most of our time. So next time you feel guilty for being lazy, remember that it's okay to take a break and focus on things that matter. After all, lazy people created some of the most significant inventions in history, including computers and the wheel. So embrace your inner laziness, and who knows, you might just come up with the next big thing.